What's up, Glammies? It's your girl Morgan, aka Morgs Too Much, and welcome back to All the More Glam TV. I am doing my first designer unboxing, guys. I'm so excited because, for one, it's overdue. Like, let's just start there. And before anybody tries to come for your girl or try me, period, no, nobody got a stimulus check yet, and there's not none of that going on. Like, this is not that. This is what happens when we actually decide, you know what, spin that shit. Because let me tell you guys, I recently celebrated my 2-year anniversary with BLINKMORGGLAM, and I'm still very excited about everything that I've accomplished, but I know I have a long way to go. And I've never really bought myself anything really major. My parents bought me my first car, and the Acura, they got stolen. I got myself that car. But in terms of like major, like big purchases, in terms of like not homes or anything like that, because I'm not ready to buy a house just yet, but that is on your girl to-do list. I was just like, I deserve something nice. Let me also say this. I like designer as much as the next girl because we are most certainly normalizing luxury. But there are just some designer things out here I'm not gonna spend my money on. I don't care who made it, how long it take them to make it, if they're gonna ever make it again. Some things are just not going to get my money. I'm sorry, but this right here, what's in this box right here, I had this picture sitting in my phone for a while, and I'm just like, you know what, I had sent it to my cousin, I sent it to my sister. I'm just like, do I really want these? And I'm just like, yes I do, yes I do. I needed some gold sandals, and I hadn't had any gold sandals since my gold glittery heels from Steve Madden, which the heel was starting to like detach. It was just, I had a whole bunch going on. I got my full wear out of them, but this is my first big girl purchase, so I'm super excited to show y'all what I got. And if y'all tired of hearing me talk about it, let's get into it. Okay, so I kind of adjusted y'all so we can open it together. But what I will say about me, I see people with designer and stuff, but I like pieces that are going to be statement pieces. Even my bags, like, I don't know what my obsession is, but let's see. Guys, oh yes ma'am, oh yes ma'am, OMG, do y'all see this? What? I'm on y'all ass this summer. Oh my goodness, y'all, what? Okay, so I ordered, okay, let's start from the beginning. So this is from Sophia Webster. I got the gold Flamingo sandal. It was just under $600 including shipping. It has the knot at the very top, and then of course it has the hearts on the sole of the shoe. And obviously, y'all, what did it for me really was the heel. Like, I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Like, these shoes are gorgeous, just in time for the spring and the summer. I haven't seen a whole lot of people wear these, which is another thing that I like. It's a rarity. The first person who I saw with these was Mulatto, actually, and she had the pink. And then when I saw all gold, I had to. What's crazy is I've always loved Sophia Webster, and I've looked at their shoes so much because I love the butterfly. I just love how different they are. But this right here, this stole my heart, y'all. Let me tell you all the details of this shoe. The Flow Flamingo sandals. So yes, it retails at $550, and it says the Flamingo is bike. We know you're going to absolutely love her. Back in form of a new stunning 100mm heel, original, unique, and super fun. A sure winner for the season, and they are not lying. When I tell y'all I'm gonna put that shit on with this, I'm obsessed. Like, can we just have a moment? Can we have a moment? I love this. I am obsessed with it. Y'all don't understand how long it even took me to purchase a shoe. I mean, I have my designer wish list. These weren't even on my designer wish list, but when I saw them, baby, I had to have them. How would y'all wear these? let's talk about it. I just feel like you're never gonna have to do too much. Like, oh my god, I cannot wait. Someone invite me somewhere. I need somewhere to go so I can pop out. I'm going to pop out. Me and my Flamingo, we're popping out. Wow, I love this shoe. So let me try it on so we can show what it looked like on our foot. Let me show y'all what it looks like without the paper in it. Like, oh my god, praise her. Wow, she's a stunner. And I'm gonna be stepping. Clearly y'all can't see it like that, but I had to try it one time. One sec. You guys, I am so obsessed with that shoe. Like, I cannot even. What's crazy is I'm usually so, it takes me so long to purchase anything, and not even just designer things, it's anything. Like, I had to really like it. It has to really do something to me for me to get it. I am beyond pleased. I just can't wait to go somewhere. Like, can we go outside? Go somewhere outside and elegant so I can really show y'all. But thank you guys so much for doing my very first unboxing with me. If you like this video and if you like what I purchased, then make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Tell me how you would style this shoe, y'all. Give me some outfit info. And thank you guys for tuning in to All the More Glam TV. I will catch y'all next time.